Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to integrate MailerLite with WordPress. To start, open your internet browser and then search for MailerLite. Then in here, click on the link that says MailerLite.com. Click on the link, and then head on over to your dashboard. Once you are now on MailerLite.com, head on over to your dashboard. On your dashboard, scroll down and then look for WordPress, and then click on the button that says Use. Now let's use method number 2. Step 1. Download the MailerLite plugin. In here, click on the tab that has been opened via MailerLite. You should now be redirected to WordPress.org. In here, download the application that says MailerLite. Now head on over to WordPress.com. On the left corner, scroll down and then look for Plugins. Over at Plugins, head on over to the search bar and then search for MailerLite. As you can see, I am highlighting the plugins that we would need to use. In here, just click on the button that says Upgrade and Activate. You will need to purchase this one so you will be able to integrate MailerLite with WordPress. Just enter your billing information, then click on Continue and then choose a payment method. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.